Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of candy-themed party supplies. With a focus on the 96 PC's Candyland Party Supplies for 24 Guests by ZOIIWA. If you're planning a sweet celebration for kids or looking to add a whimsical touch to any party, these might just be the perfect choice for you. This set includes everything you need for a candy-themed extravaganza. 24 large 9-inch candy paper plates, 24 smaller 7-inch candy paper plates, 24 6.5-inch candy napkins, and 24 plastic forks. Catering to 24 guests in total. It's designed to create a magical Candyland atmosphere right at your party table. Crafted from high-quality paper and durable plastic, these plates and napkins are not only sturdy but also feature a charming candy-themed design. The colors are vibrant and the prints are well defined, ensuring they don't fade easily. They're perfect for adding that wow factor to birthday parties, baby showers, or any occasion where a touch of sweetness is needed. One of the biggest advantages of these Candyland party supplies is their convenience. They're disposable, so after the party ends, cleanup is a breeze. Simply gather everything up and toss it away. This not only saves you time but also allows you to focus more on enjoying the festivities with your guests. Whether it's a children's birthday party, a baby shower, or just a fun family gathering, these supplies are designed to enhance the theme and create a delightful atmosphere. They're versatile enough to fit various occasions where a bit of whimsy and fun are welcome. To wrap it up, if you're searching for the best candy plates available in the market to create a magical candy-themed party experience, look no further than the 96 PC's Candyland Party Supplies for 24 Guests by ZOIIWA. They're affordable, vibrant, and sure to bring smiles to everyone's faces. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and to grab your own set today.